Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change the appearance of your cards on your table settings in Pokerstars. This is on the computer app, so what you want to do once you've logged into Pokerstars, go down to the settings gear icon on the right hand side of the screen. That will open some different settings for you. Go over to table appearance, and then you've got so many different options right here. From themes, table display, animation. We want to go over to table display. And then that's going to give us a lot of different options. For this video, we're going to basically switch between normal looking cards, like the diamonds are red, hearts are red, spades are black, and then the clubs are black as well. But that's a little bit harder to understand when you've got multiple tables running. You want to have it very, very easy to understand what cards you're holding. So what you can do is go and press the 4-color deck right here. Apply the changes, press OK, and then I will show you exactly what it looks like by observing. Some people right here, you can see the diamonds have changed to blue, hearts are red, and there we are. You can see a 4-color deck has appeared in their stacks now. So anyway guys, this has been another video for the My Tech Mastery YouTube channel. If it's been helpful, please like and subscribe. Thanks.